Hello friends, tini je job ne notification ka Tripura Public Service Commission Agartala advertise number ka 11-2022 ni irela jana je TPSC ni bisingtei Assistant Professor in Kokborok lajaknai e vacancy songka 22 ta tongo General Degree College lajaknai Group A gazetted ire rijak tongo pay scale rijak tongo naroni edi category wise vacancy rijak tongo sei inai UR ni bagai 11টা HC ni bagai 4টা ST ni bagai 7টা tongo PS candidate rok ni bagai 1টা tongo total wngkha 22টা o job no rwna thangkhe sini essential qualification nai essential qualification wngkha master degree khaijaknai with 55% mark lagai master degree khaijaknai kobrok subject no twiwi obni lekha swijak tongo net slet set no twiwi clear wngjaknai obni lekha swngnai qualifying mark will be 55%. 5% relaxation rojaknai ST and HC candidate rokni bagai main examination doro. Age limit nai maximum nango 40 years jora obo kang khlajaknai 8 tarik 6 mas 2022 ni bisingo relaxable rojaknai ST HC PS candidate rokni bagai 5 years relaxable rojaknai obni lekha swngnai je online application submission ni last date wngkha 8 tarik 6 mas 2022 jorano sarekni 5:30 PM jora submit khlaimanai phari jeng tabuk nailainai selection process wngkha ire swijak tongo 2 stage no success ma khlainai obo wngkha written examination 100 mark ni interview wngkha 15 mark ni ire rijak tongo je written examination mark wngkha 100 mark ni tamo ire rijak tongo je 10 mark related ni phainai travel literature of northeast and general knowledge 20 marks related to teaching and research aptitude 70 marks related to Kokborok subject ni ire rijak tongo qualifying cut off mark will be 55% mark unreserved category ni bagai 50% wngkha ST HC rokni bagai ire interview wngkha 15 marks ni to friends assistant professor in Kokborok subject ni je job ni bagai online application khlaina thangkhe sini date wngkha 7 tarik 5 mas 2022 ni simi 8 tarik 6 mas 2022 sarekni 5:30 PM jorano chong apply khlaimanai to friends omongkha tini je TPSC ni bisingtwi assistant professor in Kokborok subject ni job ni notification hai job ni notification naina bagai haste ni job channel no subscribe khlaitoni tei bell icon no click khaitoni tei video upload khlaimani sathe narok nugui manna tei video no paithakjak naina bagui jotono hambai।